students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 6 of exercise 12.2 of chapter 12 Heron's formula for class 9 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 6 says an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? And the figure is also given to us like this. So there are 10 pieces, means 10 triangular pieces are there. They were stitched together in order to form an umbrella, in order to make the umbrella. Then they are saying that five pieces are of different color and 5 pieces are of different color. So this is the front view of the umbrella. These are the 5 pieces and similar pieces are there at the back. Okay. So I have shown with a different color. Here blue and red are being shown over here. Similarly 5 pieces are at the back, so they form 10 pieces and they form an umbrella. Okay. So we need to find out how much cloth is required in order to stitch such type of umbrella. So one triangular piece is measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Means the sides of the triangle are given to us for one. This we are considering one triangle. So they are given to us as 20, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. So this is our one triangular piece. Okay. So we will be finding out for the area for the one triangular piece, and then we will be multiplying by 5 in order to get one color, and rest will be another 5 multiplying by another 5 in order to get the area of the cloth for another color. Okay, because it is written for each color. Okay, so let us find out the area for the one triangular piece. So area for one triangular piece will be given by under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, it will be given by this, by Heron's formula. So your A, B, C are 20, 50 and 50. Okay, so we will be substituting those 20, 50 and 50 and we will be finding out the area of one triangular piece. Okay, so it will become out to be under root. Yes, first we need to find out the semi-perimeter. So S minus 20, we don't know right now the semi-perimeter. S minus 50 and S minus 50. So let us first find out the semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter S will be equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that will be equal to 20 plus 50 plus 50 upon 2. So that would give us to be equal to 120 upon 2 and that would be 60. Okay, so it will come out to be equal to 60 centimeter. Okay, it will come out to be equal to 60 centimeter. Now we will be substituting the 60 in our Heron's formula and we will be finding out the area of one triangular piece. Okay, so area of one triangular piece will be equal to under root 60 into 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 50 again 60 minus 50. Okay, so it will be equal to 60 into 40 into 10 into 10. So one pair we are already having and one pair we will be getting from here. Okay, so it can be easily written as 66 into 2 into 2 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So this is one pair. We need to find out the square root. So we need to have the pairing of 2. So this one pair will come out. Okay. Then this one pair will come out. And from here the 2 will come out. So ultimately we will be getting over here 6 cannot come out. 6 is not having any pair right now. So 6 will be remaining in the under root itself. Okay. So here we are getting 2 into 10 into 10 and 6 is in the under root itself. So from here we are getting 200 under root 6 centimeter square. Okay. So now this is the area for one triangular piece. So because they are total 10 and there are 2 different colors. So 5 and 5. So 5 triangular pieces will be of one color and 5 triangular pieces will be of another color. Okay. So how much cloth of each color? Cloth of each color required. Okay. So area of 5 triangular cloth pieces of one color will be equal to, here we can say suppose red, because I have denoted with red over here. So here we can just, for understanding, we can write red. Okay. It will be equal to 5 into 200 under root 6. So that would give us to be 1000 under root 6 centimeter square. Let us write centimeter square downwards. Okay. So this is of one color. Now the another color. So area of another 5 triangular pieces of other color. Here for understanding you can write blue will be equal to 5 into 200 under root 6. So that would give us again 1000 under root 6 centimeter square. So these both are our answers. Okay. Now suppose in the question they would have been asked that find the total area of the cloth. So the total area of the cloth will be getting added both of them. So total area of cloth required. Total area cloth required will be how much? We'll be adding both the colors. All the 10 pieces will form the total area for the umbrella, okay, to be formed. So it will be 1000 under root 6 plus 1000 under root 6. That would give us 2000 under root 6. That would give us 2000 under root 6 centimeter square. So this is not the part of the question, but in case you are asked to find out in the examination, so you can easily find it out. Okay. So in this manner, we need to solve such type of questions. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel. Please share my videos. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.